special offers like
We take special orders.
yeah.
And 85% what we make is for the...
Allee?
It's like
But still, also there are unique pieces, because there are certain pieces made only once.
yeah.
But you also take specific orders like this, then a specific scene. And so it's quite often with text like wedding or birthday.
So is it scenery or
From here, show you paintings. Charcoal dust through the holes, and the fake sketch is on the grid. Then the outlines are hand painted, and the entire decoration is painted by hand. First the lighter, then the darker. The painting will take about 1 hour and a half for a professional painter. After painting, the items are completely glazed with white glaze, and like this left part, fired again. During firing, the glaze melts, becomes transparent, black paint becomes blue. Black paint is a special composition of cobalt oxide and a little copper. There will be a chemical reaction with the glaze, and that together makes that the black becomes blue. Without the glaze, only the black will burn and it will be green. The other colors are entirely hand painted as well, completely glazed and fired. These paints do not change, they just intensify. It's only the black that becomes blue. And nowadays almost all the Delft is not painted by hand anymore. It's printed or made by transfers, but you still find the name Delft on those items. The word Delft has no copyright, anybody can use it. That's why we need our trademarks to protect ourselves. The letters DP stand for our company name, Delftse Pauw. Pauw is the Dutch word for peacock, Delft Peacock. Trademark is always on the back or the bottom of the item with the initials of the painter. With this certificate, the Chamber of Commerce of Delft guarantees that everything we make over here is authentic, entirely hand-painted.
Please like and comment, subscribe if you would like to see more of these videos.